Right, so we have just landed in Bangkok. I'm looking for a taxi. I've locked and loaded with a Thailand SIM card. I mean, I could use the eSIM, but a bit old fashioned. It makes me feel more like a local. Get a Thailand SIM card in here. First stop, I am going to find a hotel. I've not decided where I'm staying yet. I'm just going to jump in a taxi. First up, I am going to find a hotel. It's Sunday morning now. I've been travelling since Friday, so I feel a bit grotty. I went into Athens for a few hours and I got a hotel there, had a shower. I'm feeling a bit grotty again. So I'll have a shower, get freshened up. Got some kip on the plane, a few pills to get me to sleep. So feeling ready for the day. I'm just arrived in Bangkok. Come down to Khao San Road. It's going to be quite decent down here. So a quick pit stop for an authentic Thai green curry. Now, when I've had these before, they've had like a little chunks of chicken in. It's got a full chicken thigh in it. And I've not got a knife to even cut that up. But we've also got a pina colada. A bit of a risotto. Sat down and booked my hotel. I'm going to go check in shortly, get freshened up because I've been travelling since Friday. So I feel a bit grotty. Just trying this authentic Thai green curry. Now, I've just done a little bit, but it is fucking banging. And it's got a whole chicken thigh in it and I've only got a spoon, so I want to break it up. But it is 10 out of 10. Banging. Very spicy though. I've seen it all now. Well, I'm running a dummy as well. And a bubble machine. He is loving that. He's loving it. Definitely been on shrooms. Crap. So this has got to be the sketchiest entrance I've had to a hotel yet. So we're going down an alley. We've got a sign, the hidden hotel, 3rd floor. Well, here we have it. An £11 a night room. On booking.com, £11 a night, air conditioned. So with the dream. Where's my shower? Where's my toilet? I'm fucking shat from the travelling. I'll be doing a shared shower. So we found some crocodile meat, proper real crocodile barbecue on Khao San Road. So what have you got then? So they're your options.
L size, M size.
So that's your medium size, and what do you get on it? What do you have on it? What do you have on it? What spices?
Price? This one is like a 150.
No, what spice?
Spicy?
What spice do you have on it? What flavours?
Flavor, I have a little spicy mala, and black pepper is a little spicy, and barbecue is no spicy. This one is very spicy mala.
I got the black pepper one, please.
Medium plus? Medium, sir?
So we'll go large one.
Large.
Go for a large.
Big man, big one, bro.
Big man, big meal.
Yeah.
Here we go, this is something new. I've never tried crocodile before. I didn't even know you could buy it to eat.
Yes, sir, you come here and take pictures.
So what's that then you're putting on? Is that the spice?
Butter.
Oh, just butter?
Yeah. Butter is good, sir. Smell good. Smell very good.
Is that off a real crocodile too?
And this one is the big one. Let's take it, you take it, I take it. Take video.
Oh wow. Closest I've ever been to a crocodile. A couple of missing teeth. been biting people. So is it baby crocodile?
Not baby man, like a medium size.
Medium-sized one.
Maybe like a little one.
So that's like a medium-sized crocodile. That's his tail.
Small one sweet, man.
Sharp teeth. You won't want to get bit by it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here we have it, the gourmet au crocodile. Got to review this one because it's a first. It's fucking hot. Are you two trying it? You trying it?
Yeah. It's cool.
It's nice. It's like a chewy chicken. Chewy, it tastes like chicken as well. The texture's like chicken, but just a bit chewier. First time for everything.
First time, yeah. First time in Thailand.
If you don't try it, you'll never know. Gourmet au crocodile.
Money.
Tasty. This guy actually looks like he's doing pink food. It's just like that normal food that we get. Grilled beef, putting up fucking thing. And I am starving. So I'm going to get one of these. Can I get the grilled beef? Yep. Can I have cheese and mushrooms on it as well, please? Grilled beef, cheese and mushrooms, honey mustard sauce. Can I get it medium rare?
Medium rare, yeah.
Medium rare, please, yes. And while we wait, we've got a plan. Oh, so it says it's blind. Doubt it. Just meat and that. That's how honey mustard gone on. Good one news going on. That's some grafting, that. Just carrying the shop round with him.
Okay, mister?
A bit messy, we'll get straight into it. It's hard to do while walking, I should have sat down. It's nice. Shows that's what it looked like now. You can see the medium rare, you can see the green bits in it and that. More impressed with some of the stuff that doesn't look nice. Well, it's definitely going down the tree, so it's starving. But it looks better than it is. I mean, I'm probably going to take that back. That's all that's left of it. And it's all down mid. So yeah, grill me a bit. Was pretty nice. Overall, 7.5 out of 10.
Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the so yummy. We want to see yummy all the time. No, there's no news, there's news. I got it there before. I turn it into something. I come back from 100. Let's talk it, no action. You just go see coming. I just keep elevating. No, it's just a grade. My
Sounds like I didn't see one like that in the UK. That's a fucking good lungs. Do another. Look at that, my boy. He's not messing. He's not frightened for £2.